Hi family, my name is Muvhumbi Manyanye and I'm from Gauteng province. I'm at UCT and I'm doing BSc in Astrophysics and Applied Mathematics. The Bridge app was introduced to me by my high school, Letsebogo Girls High School, which is situated in Midland Zone 3, Gauteng. My LO teacher was behind everything. She was able to organize the Bridge people to come to our school. They came, they told us how to utilize their app, their website, and everything was good. A Bridge app is a very useful app, especially when you're doing your metric. The Bridge app applied at University of Western Cape, University of Limpopo, Wits University, University of Cape Town, Stellenbosch. I lost count because they kept on coming to my school asking if I'm happy with the institutions, and I was like, please keep on applying for me because I don't have time, and they did. I chose Astrophysics and Applied Mathematics because since I was a young girl, I was obsessed with numbers in the universe. So when Bridge applied for me at the University of Cape Town, BSc in Astrophysics and Applied Mathematics, I was like, yes, my dream is coming true. That's why I nicknamed myself Jupiter. I was very happy. I was over the moon, truly speaking, that I'm going to Cape Town for the first time. Oh, my experience at the University of Cape Town since January. When I arrived in Cape Town, everyone was so nice. They were smiling. And then I even got my student card within 10 minutes. I was so happy that I'm going to start with my academics. I'm going to know what is astrophysics. Oh, my experience with the Bridge team was very nice. The Bridge people are very nice. They're good hearts and they're very patient, because I still remember last year I didn't submit my documents at the right time, but they kept on calling, sending me texts, telling me to submit, and finally I did. So they're very good people. The Bridge app is very easy to understand. Everything is clear. You can utilize the app any time of the day, so it's very easy to understand. Knowing that the Bridge team has applied a funding on my behalf made me so happy, because what happened last year is that I asked a friend to apply for me a Muthipe Foundation bursary. I trust that friend because she was my best friend. Unfortunately, she didn't apply for me. And then if it wasn't for the Bridge team, I wouldn't be here because there was no one to fund me. I only had NSFAS, which was applied by the Gradesmatch team, so I thank them. The matric learners must listen to the Bridge team. They must take note of everything that the Bridge team is going to say to them. They must follow the instruction. They must exhaust the Bridge team by asking them relevant questions about the universities, the funding, and everything. They must utilize the website and the app. After finding out that Bridge has applied a funding on my behalf, I was so happy because I was really confused on how I was going to apply for a funding since they were using the online thing and the data issues. So I was so happy after finding out that Bridge has applied a funding on my behalf. A message that I would like to send to my high school teachers now, because I'm in Cape Town, I would like to thank them for introducing me to the Bridge team, which is the reason why I am here. I would like to say thank you. You are highly appreciated. The advice that I would like to give to the matric class of 2022, I will advise you to listen to your teachers when they introduce Bridge app to you. Utilize the app. Make sure you listen to them. You give them the relevant documents that are needed so that you can be like me. I will highly recommend Bridge to my family and friends because they are very useful. I'm here today because of them. I wouldn't change anything on the Bridge portal because everything there is legit, is good and understandable. To get in touch with the Bridge team, you must go to www.bridgeapp.co.za.